The Seng Samla Mawkhar, as part of its 25th anniversary, had organized a program on drug awareness and solution for the addicts through Herbal Remedies. The program, which was held in collaboration with the NRA Pageant India Limited, aims to bring about a solution to the addiction of drugs through the use of homemade herbal medicines. Ayurvedic practitioner from New York, Tenzing Shering, had enlightened the gathering on the various uses of herbs as a solution to drug addiction. Also present during the event was the Director of Social Welfare Department C. Doreen Lingwa, the President of the NRA Pageant India Limited, Ransom Sutanga, members of the Dorbashnong and Seng Samla Mawkhar, special invitees and others.
But these are the properties which the brain has. Reduce pain, improve digestion, good reserve of vitamin minerals and water. So reduce pains and improve digestion means those who are drug addicted, when they are addicted to drug, they are pain in the body, the digestive system, they don't want to eat. So ajwain improves their pain and they will improve the digestive systems and reduce their pain. It has great resource of mineral, magnesium, potassium, and calcium. And polychemical which is inside the intestine of ajwain, it helps for the brain. The oil which is in ajwain, it helps your brain to regain the memories, and it numbs the brain which you are addicted to, because the drugs affects your brain state, not like alcohol. To 1 tablespoon. Two teaspoons, that's equal to 1 tablespoon. Yeah, it's ajwain more. Same, let's go to 2 teaspoons. 1 teaspoon cashew food. 1 teaspoon of steamed leaves and half teaspoon of chili pepper.